everyone. Today, I'm here to talk about Trello, a popular project management tool that was launched in 2011 by Frog Creek Software. Trello is a web based project management tool that is used by millions of people around the world to organize their work and projects. Trello's unique approach to project management is based on a board and a card system. A board represents a project or a task, and the cards represent the individual tasks or steps within that project. This system allows users to easily visualize their workflow and track progress. In 2017, Trello was acquired by Atlassian, a leading software company, and since then its popularity has only continued to grow. Trello is used by major companies like Google, Adobe, and Kickstarter worldwide. One of the strengths of Trello is its adaptability. It can be customized to fit any project or workflow, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. Whether you are a freelancer, small business owner, or a part of a larger corporation, Trello can help you stay organized and on track. Trello focuses on collaboration and transparency, which is another key feature that sets it apart from other project management tools. By giving users the ability to easily share and collaborate on boards and cards, Trello encourages teamwork and facilitates communication. Let's see what are the benefits of using Trello. By implementing the right project management tool, businesses can significantly improve their collaboration and communication, increase transparency and visibility, and also enhance its flexibility and adaptability. A modern project management tool like Trello allows team members to work together more efficiently and effectively, share information easily, and communicate in real time. This results in better teamwork and collaboration, which leads to more successful projects. Another benefit of using uh, Another benefit of using Trello is people can actually see the status of the project, who is working on what, and what needs to be done next. This level of transparency helps everyone to stay on the same page, reduce confusion, and lead a better decision making. Trello provides enhanced flexibility and adaptability. With customizable workflows, businesses can adapt the tool to fit their specific needs and processes. This allows for a seamless integration with existing system, making it easier to manage and execute projects. A streamlined workflow management is another advantage of using Trello. With features like task assignment, deadlines, and progress tracking, teams can manage their work more efficiently, reducing the time wasted on unnecessary tasks and improving the overall productivity and efficiency. With better collaboration, communication, and project management, businesses can deliver projects faster with fewer errors and defects, and also at a higher quality, ultimately leading to happier customers. Finally, Finally, Trello is another project management tool which can help the business reduce errors and defects by streamlining workflows and by providing better visibility into the project. Team members can identify the potential issues early on and address them even before they can become a significant problem. Let's see, Trello in project management. Agile project management is an iterative and flexible approach to project management where teams work collaboratively to deliver high quality products and services quickly and efficiently. Trello provides an excellent platform for agile project management as it allows teams to organize their projects with boards and lists, representing tasks and user stories with cards and labels. With Trello's drag and drop interface, it's very easy to create and move tasks between the lists, allowing teams to prioritize their work and plan their sprints efficiently. Trello also provides tools for assigning tasks and tracking progress with due dates and checklists. This allows the team members to focus on the most critical tasks and ensure that everyone is on the same page. With Trello's notification and activity feed, teams can stay updated on the latest changes and progress made, making it easier to stay on track. Another significant benefit of using Trello is its ability to streamline collaboration and workflow with integrations. Trello integrates with so many tools such as Slack, Google Drive, and Jira, making it easy to manage projects across multiple systems. By using Trello for agile project management, teams can experience faster delivery time, improved collaboration, and higher quality outputs. So, yeah, let's see some of the insights into Trello. Challenges can include a lack of clarity or visibility into project status, difficulty in adapting to changing requirements, managing workload, and preventing burnout among team members, and poor planning or missed deliverables. By using Trello, teams can overcome these challenges and achieve better results. A project management tool provides a clear and visual way to assign and track tasks, allowing team members to focus on what is important and stay on top of the deadlines. This improves the project planning and prioritization, reducing the risk of poor planning or missed deliverable. A project management tool also helps teams adapt to changing requirements by providing flexibility in task management and scheduling. Teams can easily adjust tasks and timelines, keeping everyone on the same page and ensuring that the project stays on track. Additionally, a project management tool like Trello can help in managing the workload and can prevent burnout among team members. By providing a clear view of each team member's workload, we can ensure that no one is overworked, which helps in maintaining the team morale and productivity. Furthermore, Trello improves stakeholder communication and satisfaction by providing a platform for teams to collaborate and share project progress. This leads to better alignment between stakeholders and the team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding the project's goals and objectives. Trello provides some insights into project performance, allowing teams to identify areas where they can improve and make necessary changes. This continuous improvement helps teams to stay focused on delivering value to their customer and achieving their goals. Finally, a project management tool makes it easy for remote or distributed teams to stay connected and collaborate effectively and efficiently. With features like real time messaging and file sharing, remote teams can work together seamlessly regardless of their physical location. So, these are some of the insights of Trello. Project management tool that offers a simple and intuitive interface to manage your projects effectively. The first and the most prominent feature of Trello is boards. Boards are like virtual whiteboards where you can organize your tasks and projects visually. You can create multiple boards for different projects or teams, making it easy to keep everything well organized. Within each boards, you can create multiple lists to represent different stages of your project, such as the to-do list, the doing, and the done. This allows you to see at a glance where each task stands in the overall project timeline. Cards are another key feature of Trello. Cards are the building blocks of a project representing individual tasks or items that needs to be completed. You can assign cards to the team members, add due dates, and attach files or comments to them. Again, labels are a useful tool for organizing cards based on multiple criteria such as priority or the project phase. So we can also use labels to identify the cards that require specific attention or are related to any specific features. Due dates and checklists are essential features for managing the project timelines and ensuring that the tasks are completed on time. We can also set due dates for each cards and create checklists within each card to break down a larger task into smaller manageable subtasks. Comments are a critical feature for communication and collaboration. Team members can leave comments on cards, providing updates, asking questions, or offering feedback to keep everyone in the loop. Trello offers multiple integrations, allowing you to connect with other applications and tools that you and the team might have already been using. Integrations include popular tools such as Slack, Google Drive, and Jira, among others. Power ups are add ons that kind of extend the functionality of Trello, offering additional features such as custom fields, custom backgrounds, and voting. Butler is another important feature of Trello. It's Trello automation tool that enables you to automate repetitive tasks and create custom workflows, saving your time and effort. Reporting is another critical feature of Trello, allowing you to generate reports. Methodology is all about delivering projects in short iterations or sprints, and Trello can help us manage this process very efficiently. The first step in setting up Trello for sprints is to create a new board for each sprint. This allows us to keep track of the tasks and user stories specific to that sprint. We can also archive the previous boards to keep our workplace organized. Once we have created a new board for the sprint, we can create lists for the sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is a list of tasks and user stories that needs to be completed within the sprint. We can create multiple lists for the sprint backlog, such as the to do list, in progress, the done, to track the progress of each task. We can use cards to track user stories and tasks within each list. We can also create cards for each user story or task and add a description, attachment, and comments to it. This allows us to keep track of the details of each task and collaborate with our team. Assigning tasks to each team members by adding them as a member to the card. This allows us to see who is responsible for completing each task and ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities. We can use labels to indicate the priority or status of each card. Labels can be customized to match our project needs and can be used to identify the critical tasks or those that require attention quickly. We can use checklists to break down user stories into smaller tasks, which helps us to track the progress of each task and ensure that the user story is fully completed. We can also track the team's velocity by tracking how many user stories are completed during each sprint. This allows us to adjust our team's workload and adapt our sprint planning accordingly. Finally, we can integrate Trello with other tools such as Slack, GitHub, or Jira. So, this helps us to create a seamless workflow and avoid the need for manual updates. So, this slide is more about creating a new board. So, as you can see, first we have to log into the Trello account and then access our dashboard. Then pretty much we follow the remaining steps in order to set up a new board. How to track user stories and card. So again, this slide is more of a very self-explanatory. Basically, we again log into the Trello account and then navigate to the board that we have created for sprint. We add new card and then add details. We name the card and then we move the card, and we can also use labels. So this is how pretty much this slide works. Again, this is a self-explanatory step-by-step slide of how to use the labels. This is again a step by step process of how to use the checklists. Finally, how to archive a card. So we first open the card that we want to archive, and then we click on the archive button on the bottom right corner of the card. We confirm that we want to archive this card. Now the card will be pretty much moved to the archive section of the board. So to unarchive it, we have to follow we have to go to the card and then select send to the board from the bottom right corner of the card. So by following these steps, we can archive as well as unarchive a card. Most important task within Trello is to establish clear and consistent naming conventions for all our cards and boards. This makes it easier for the team members to quickly identify and locate the information they need. We should consider using a standard format for naming these cards, such as including a task description and a due date. Next, we have to make sure that all the team members are trained on how to use Trello efficiently. This will help us ensure that everyone is on the same page and using the platform in a consistent way. Assigning tasks to specific team members and setting due dates is also plays a very key or a important role in Trello. This helps to ensure that everyone knows what they are responsible for and when it needs to be completed. Trello makes it easier to assign tasks and set due dates for individual cards. In order to streamline workflow and automate repetitive tasks, we should consider using power ups and butler automation. Another best practices is to prioritize tasks or user stories by using labels or custom fields. This makes it easier to quickly identify which tasks are most important and should be worked on first. Collaboration is another key component of Trello. We can use comments or add mentions to communicate with team members and keep everyone up to date on the progress. Finally, we should also consider using checklists to break down user stories into small, manageable, actionable steps, which makes it easier to track progress and ensure that the tasks are completed in a timely manner. So, what are some of the tips and tricks about Trello? So, do you all know that Trello has a variety of keyboard shortcuts that can help us in boosting the productivity. By learning these shortcuts, we can quickly navigate into our boards, add cards, and perform other tasks. Some of the most commonly used keyboard shortcuts include C for creating a new card, B for opening the board menu. So we can find the entire list of Trello keyboard shortcuts in their website. So the next one is it's important to keep our workplace organized. So it's a must that we have to archive old boards and lists that are no longer needed. This can help us in having a easier to focus kind of workplace, and this helps us to increase our productivity. Another way to enhance our Trello board is by using power-ups. Power-ups and are add-ons that can help you add new functionality to the boards. For example, we can use the calendar power-up to view our cards on a calendar, or use the card repeater power-up to create cards that repeat on a set schedule. Staying up to date with Trello's blog and resources is another great way to improve our productivity. Trello's blog is filled with very useful tips and tricks as well as updates on the new features and tools. Additionally, Trello offers a variety of resources such as webinars or tutorials, which helps us to get the most out of the platform. Finally, Butler automation is again a built in tool that allows us to automate repetitive tasks such as moving the cards or creating new cards based on certain triggers. So, with this Butler automation, we can spend less time on manual tasks and more time on what we actually want. So, these are some of the tips and tricks about using Trello.